Hi, my name is Ranko. I'm the owner of Preston Laundry House. I've been in business in the laundry for 7 years. I had a career change from financial planning after 30 years. I went into laundromats. Currently got 2. I'm opening up another one down the road. And in each of the laundries, I've been using Tangerpay from inception. With Tangerpay, I find that their features are fantastic. They provide a simple to use system where you can use the kiosk. I've got a feature where it's you can use a QR code, which I find probably the younger generation use that. So Tangerpay offers both, and it's suitable to both. People in a slightly older demographic might use the kiosk. People in the younger demographic probably use a QR code. Some of the extra features of Tangerpay that I like, probably the most important one to me, having 3 laundromats, is the remote start feature, where I can get on, I can start the machines from anywhere. I've been overseas and been able to start the machines from overseas, which is a big plus for me. They've also got other features like loyalty bonuses and vouchers and things like that, which as time goes by, I'll endeavour to use a little bit more. They're forever upgrading and improving their whole system.
Hi, my name is Grace. I bought this laundromat about 4 months ago. At the time, being semi-retired and dabbling in a few things, I thought it'd be a good project. So far, it's been positive, and I'm getting positive feedback from the community. Favourite feature? I guess really I'm using a few of them, but probably the best feature for any laundromat owner is the remote start. Just recently actually, a young man put a $2 coin into the $1 coin slot and couldn't get his money back and couldn't start the machine, and he was, of course, getting a little bit annoyed. He called me. I asked him to put his clothes into a different dryer, and we're able to remote start the machine. He was able to go on and do what he needed to do and come back and get his clothes later. So it all sorted itself out. Another useful feature has been the ability to activate and deactivate equipment on the Tangerpay system. So a machine went out of service. I don't know why, but people always go to the machine that's not working. So I put a sign on the machine saying it wasn't working. but people were still going to it, and I thought, I've got to do this better. I've got to find another way of doing it. What I was able to do was in Tangerpay, I was able to deactivate that particular machine. So therefore, people weren't able to select that machine or accidentally pay for that machine. So that's been really, really useful to prevent people making mistakes and wasting money.
Hi, my name is Ranko. I'm the owner of Preston Laundry House. I've been in business in the laundry for 7 years. Currently got 2. I'm opening up another one down the road. And in each of the laundries, I've been using Tangerpay from inception. And the beauty of Tangerpay is that they'll return your calls promptly, swiftly, not the next day, not the week after, usually within half an hour or 10 minutes. They'll fix the problem, they'll guide you through it. For any new laundry operators that are looking at starting up a laundromat, I would recommend Tangerpay. This is not paid, I'm not being paid for this. This is just, honestly, their service is probably my experience in laundromats. They're probably the company that's provided the best service and the most efficient service.
Hi, my name is Grace. I bought this laundromat about 4 months ago. At the time, being semi-retired and dabbling in a few things, I thought it'd be a good project. So far, it's been positive, and I'm getting positive feedback from the community. The support has been good. It's been as simple as sending them an email, and they respond fairly quickly. I know on occasions they've actually called in addition to emailing just to make sure that everything was okay. So far, service has been very good. It's a good system. It works well. The features are seamless. And the customer service is very supportive and responsive. So yeah, I would recommend it.